Hey, what's going on? So there was somebody who needed help with removing the vendor name on their Shopify store. So I just wanted to quickly show you how you can do that, how you can remove the vendor name on your Shopify store. So what you want to do is you want to come to your theme customizer, come to the customizer, and then go to the section, maybe it's a feature collection, um, maybe the actual product page, wherever the case may be, go to that section that you want to remove the vendor name. This is going to be a quick solution on how to do that. So come to that collection, and then you want to look for, so if you're here, if you're on the collection, look for where it says custom CSS. Go to custom CSS. You want to come in and you want to paste this code, vendor name displayed. Right? So what will happen is if there's a vendor name there, when you click this, when you add excuse me, when you add the code display none, the name will disappear. So in this case, I didn't have any vendor name, but if that name was there, then it would disappear and it wouldn't show anymore. So this is a quick tutorial. We're looking for how to remove that vendor name. And then of course, in the future, if you want to change that, you just go and you delete this code and then now it shows again. So this is a quick tutorial about how you can do that. Here's the code again if you need it. Vendor, display none, doesn't show the vendor name. If you're looking to implement this into your store, if it didn't work, if you have any other questions and you'd like my help, I'd be more than glad to help. I'd be more than glad to help you out with your Shopify store and see how we can get this set up for you or any other feature that you're looking for. So please feel free to send me an email if you have any questions. Please feel free to reach out. But once again, I hope this video was able to help you. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out.